today I'm going to show you how to make a paper scale, and it looks just like my real scale. So today I'm going to show you how to make this. First you'll need a hard cardboard, or you could use a tissue box, anything that is cardboard. Then you need some colored papers. I'm using yellow and blue. Then I glue these on. Okay, so now I put the yellow sheet on. Now I'm going to put the blue on. Okay. Now I'm going to stick this on here. So I stuck this yellow sheet on now. Like in the real scale, there has some numbers 1 to 30 or 20 and inches and cms. So I'm going to do the same. Okay. So I did cm. I just need to add the numbers and stuff. Now I'm doing inches. Okay, so now I did inches. Now I'm going to write down the numbers. 0, 1, 2. Okay, so I did cm and inches. Now I'm going to do those small lines that it has. I'll show you. These small lines. So I'm going to do them. These are important. Okay. So I made my scale. Now I'm going to add some jewels and the sequins, blue and those things. So I finished my scale. So you could put anything you want, like jewels, this glitter glue, some sequins, and I even made another one with my glitter glue. It looks so good. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll show you how this works. I'll show you both. So see, it's really good. This one is 100 out of 100. Now let's test this one. This one is 100 out of 100 as well. So they're all so good. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe and share. Take care. Bye.